Are fungal and bacterial diseases affecting your vegetables, trees, shrubs, and ornamentals? Bonide's liquid copper fungicide products offer an organic gardening option for controlling black spot, early and late blight, powdery mildew, peach leaf curl, and many more common and not so common plant diseases. Liquid copper fungicide is approved for organic gardening and can be used up to the day of harvest on vegetables, fruits, nuts, and herbs. It can be used as a dormant season spray to control overwintering spores of various plant diseases. The convenient, ready-to-use formulation eliminates the need for mixing prior to application. It's best to start applications before the plant disease starts or just after, as this will provide excellent control of the plant disease. Repeat applications on a 7 to 10 day schedule are recommended. Complete coverage of the plant foliage is a must for control of any plant disease. Liquid copper fungicide is an effective organic gardening plant fungicide, providing effective control of various plant diseases on a wide range of plants. Lawn and garden pest solutions from Bonide, trusted since 1926.